What's going on, everybody? If you're watching this on YouTube, it's KOL Fan 93 back here with another video. For my Facebook viewers, what's up? So, it is a new belt day. Yes, it is. I mean, it is a new belt day, but I already have this one, but slightly different than the one that I have. So, yeah. So just go ahead and get after it here. Pretty big box. Right. Packing material here. There we go. That's better. So you may be asking, what is it? Just show us already, damn it. Well, alright, I'll get to that. Okay. Well, back of it should be pretty obvious. So, yeah, here we go. That's right, guys. I got another Attitude Era Big Eagle. The one that I currently have is a deluxe, but it also has that WrestleMania 20 plate on it. This one is a standard. It's not a deluxe. I got a really good deal on this. So to the person that I got it from, thank you very much. Great doing business with you. Review on this one to come later. So I figured I would just go ahead, do the unboxing for you guys. I don't know if I'm going to modify this. You guys know I'm pretty notorious for modifying my belts, but I don't know if this one's going to get modified. So yeah. That's about all I got for you. So I really hope everybody enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button, comment, YouTube, subscribe for more just like this. So yeah, that's it. See you guys later.